We're going to now program a classifier. The first thing to do is go to Colab on Google's website, copy paste that, and you might see this. So you want to file and you want to upload a notebook. So then we're going to click on GitHub, and the GitHub repository is on this page, and you just copy paste it in, and let's search for it. Great, so it's found it, and this is all of the code in the repository, and we're looking for red-headed league hair classifier. So this is it, red-headed league hair classifier. I click on it and it loads the code. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is read in the images and their hair colors. So we're going to download the images file. You might get this warning, and we just press run anyway. That check mark means that the file has been downloaded. Okay, so now we're going to read the images into the images array and the labels. And that check mark means it's been done. And you can see, for example, that this is a picture of red hair and it's labeled red. And we've got blonde, like pictures of blonde hair, and they're labeled blonde. And we also have brunettes of brown hair labeled brunette. So these are the different pictures that are in images, and then the labels, whether it's red, blonde, or brunette in the array of labels. Okay, so now we're going to create a classifier, and it's just really this short three lines. We're going to create a k-neighbors classifier, and there's 3 groups, blonde, red, and brunette. And we create a k-neighbors classifier passing in the number of groups that we expect. So we're passing in 3. Then we fit it to the images, the pictures, and the corresponding labels. And so this k-neighbors classifier has been made. Let's look at its performance. So I press play here. And what we do is we take the hair classifier that we made here, and we predict on the images, and we get predicted labels. And to compute the accuracy, we compare the real labels, the labels we fed in with the predicted labels, and we see that the accuracy is 94%. Okay, so let's visualize this using k-neighbors, what it looks like. And this is a lot of code, but basically you just press play, and you can see that this is how the k-neighbors classifier works. You have 3 different groups and 3 different colors. The blonde are these blue squares, and they're mostly over here. Brown are the orange triangles, and they're mostly grouped here. And then the redheads are grouped here, and they are the green circles, and you can see that they're mostly clustered together. You can also see that there are some errors. So for example, this blue square blonde is and this blue square blonde are landing in the redhead group, and then you can see there's also some brunettes, some brown hairs that are kind of overlapping with the redheaded group. So let's classify Wilson's hair. First, let's read the image of Wilson's hair, and this is the little swatch of Wilson's hair that we have. And now let's classify it. We're going to pass in Wilson's hair into the hair classifier and get the prediction. So the predicted hair color is red, and we want the probability that it's red versus the other colors. And you can see that blonde, brown has 0 probability, but red is 1. So we're very confident with this prediction.